8 things to know after you get asylum. Congratulations on being granted asylum. Asylum is an important and exciting step in your journey. It gives you many advantages and also some responsibilities. So what should you do next? Here's a list of 8 important things you need to know after receiving asylum. Number 1. You may be eligible to receive new or additional benefits and services. Benefits for asylees may include financial, medical, and employment assistance. Many benefits are available only for a limited time, so you should apply right away after your asylum is granted. Contact your resettlement agency for more information. Number 2. You are eligible to apply for a green card. You are not required to apply for a green card, but there are good reasons to have one. For example, getting a green card is required to become a U.S. citizen. Green card status, also known as lawful permanent residency, is more secure than asylum status. Asylum is granted indefinitely, but there are reasons it can be terminated, such as changed conditions in Afghanistan. Also, if your family status changes while you are an asylee, you may become ineligible to apply for a green card later. Number 3. It's best to consult a lawyer about the timing of your green card application. There are risks associated with applying for your green card too quickly after receiving asylum. It's best to ask a lawyer for advice about when, how, and the cost to apply. Number 4. You are eligible for an unrestricted Social Security card. Once you are an asylee, you can apply for an unrestricted Social Security card even if you already have a restricted card. This is helpful for employment authorization and more. You can apply in person at any Social Security office. Number 5. You can apply for asylum for eligible family members outside the U.S. If your legal spouse and unmarried children under age 21 were overseas when you filed for asylum and were included in your asylum application, you can now file Form I-730 to start the process of family reunification in the United States. If you have already filed the Afghan Family Reunification Form DS-4317 as a parolee, you may still file I-730 forms for relatives listed on your asylum application. The process is complicated, so it's best to consult a lawyer to assist you. Number 6. Traveling outside of the United States is possible but could have a negative impact on your status. Because traveling can affect your case, it's very important that you seek legal advice before making travel plans. As an asylee, you should not travel to your country of persecution. Travel to Afghanistan may be the basis for the U.S. government to terminate your asylum status. Also, during your first year of asylum, travel outside the U.S. can count against the 1 year of physical presence in the U.S. required to get a green card. If travel outside the U.S. is unavoidable, asylees must gain permission by filing for and receiving a refugee travel document, Form I-131, before leaving the U.S. Asylees should use only this refugee travel document when traveling rather than documents, including passports, from their country of persecution. Number 7. If you move, you must notify USCIS of your new address within 10 days. This is to make sure that you receive all important case documents. You can update your address easily via your USCIS online account or by submitting Form AR-11, Aliens Change of Address. And number 8. If you are a male and aged 18 to 26, you should make sure that you are registered for the U.S. Selective Service. The Selective Service is the U.S. military draft. Currently, the U.S. draft is inactive, and the U.S. military is all volunteer. Registration is still mandatory, and failure to register for the Selective Service can negatively affect your ability to apply for citizenship later. Registration can be completed online at the Selective Service website. The information contained in this video is provided for informational purposes only and should not be construed as legal advice on any matter. USCRI received competitive funding through the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Administration for Children and Families, contract number 140DO423C0027. The ILSIP project is 100% supported by federal funds.